Hi guys, welcome to Satpal's Kitchen, and today we're making a simple quick biryani, chicken biryani, and we'll get started. So I'll show you here what we need for our ingredients. So it's going to be a chicken biryani, so we need some chicken. I used the whole chicken that I've actually chopped up and into pieces. You don't have to use a whole chicken, you can actually use just breast meat on its own. I have rice. Basically I have 4 cups of rice. You don't have to use 4 cups, you can actually use 2 cups if you like, if you're just using it for a small amount of people to cook for. I have 1 large onion, finely chopped. I also have 3 green chilies chopped. I have a clove of garlic peeled, which I'll be blending later on. I have a quarter piece of ginger, half a tin of tomatoes. Tin tomatoes, you can use fresh tomatoes if you like to. I have some cooking oil, and I have some colours. I have green, red and orange, which I'll be using very last. I have some coriander powder, a teaspoon. I have biryani mix powder, 2 teaspoons. I have Madras curry powder. I have some curry leaves here, some 4 cloves, and I have 4 cardamoms, green cardamoms as ilachi. And also here I have some jeera, cumin seeds, garam masala, salt to taste, some turmeric powder and some mild chili powder too. So we're going to add this ginger in, a whole clove of garlic cloves, meaning a whole clove, a whole bulb of the garlic. The green chilies are already chopped up, so I don't need to chop them up. Blend them up. Okay, that's nicely blended up. As you see, very fine. Now I'll put the heat on the gas. And I'm going to actually roast the cumin seeds now. Into the biryani I like to use a large soup spoon. So I'm going to just use that and just roast the cumin seeds on its own for about a couple of minutes. Whilst they get roasted, I'm going to pour over my oil and my onions. So in here I'm going to add in, say, about a full ladle of cooking oil. As you see, they're browning up itself. So I'm just going to add a ladle full of oil. Let's take this up. Let this one heat for a few minutes, and then just add in all your onions. Now the onions must cook to a golden brown colour. Brown colour. So I'm just going to leave them on the heat just here to browning up. So whilst they're halfway through of getting to the colour I need, I'm going to add into the onions the curry leaves, the cloves and the cardamoms. So I'm just going to let that get browned up. the onions are looking nice and golden brown, so into that I'm going to add the grinded ginger and garlic. So just give that a remix. Oh, tiny. Right, okay. We're going to add in the chicken now. So, get and let the chicken get halfway through before we actually add in all the spices. I like using chicken because chicken is a quick meat to cook. You could always make a lamb biryani or a pork biryani or a vegetable biryani, and it's what you prefer. If you do a vegetable biryani, it's basically cooking them up quick. I'm actually feeling tired here already. So, but I prefer chicken, so I'll just wait till it cooks and we'll add the spices in. I'll add in the green chilies. And then we'll add in the biryani masala, that's 2 tablespoons of it. And we'll also add in the teaspoon of Madras curry powder. We'll give it a wee mix first. And then we'll go into all the other spices. So I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of salt for the chicken, and then I'm going to add in another teaspoon of salt for the rice that I have soaked. 1 teaspoon, level teaspoon of turmeric to give it colour. 2 teaspoons of the garam masala. I don't want to make the biryani too spicy because my children don't like too much spice. So half a teaspoon of the chili powder. If you like it spicy, you can add in a teaspoon or a teaspoon and a half. And that's everything for this. I'm going to add in the tomatoes. Now that's a half a tin of tomatoes, and you can also use chopped fresh tomatoes if you like, if you don't like using the tin. And last of all, it's the coriander powder, a teaspoon. So just mix it all up. And let it cook for at least 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. I'm just going to add in a little bit of water, hot boiling water, so just that it doesn't stick to the pan and it cooks a bit quicker. So I'm just going to lid this up and let it cook for 20 minutes. I'm just going to turn the heat down as well. So here I have, like I said, 3½ cups of basmati rice that I have washed and cleaned and soaked and drained. So I'm going to add all that rice in. gas and just mix it all up so all the rice can get covered with all the lovely spices I've added in here. Okay, so it's all mixed up. I'm going to add in boiling hot water to cover all the rice and slightly above. So I'm just going to give that a mix again and leave on for the full heat for 10 minutes and then turn the heat down to a further 5 minutes. So I'm going to put the lid on. Forgot to actually put the chilli in. I forgot to mention it. I like to add in after the chilli. I'm just going to actually give it a wee split here and just add it in the middle. Just put the lid back on. So we're going to leave it on for 20 minutes, well 20, it's 15 now because it's 5 minutes ago, and then turn it down after the 15 minutes and then we'll check it. Okay guys, we're going to check the rice, so just let me tell you before I put the lid off, because obviously the gas cooker here is a bit sort of powerful, so I had to turn down the heat onto medium instead of full, and instead of 20 minutes it actually only took me 15 minutes to actually cook the rice on this gas. So I'm going to take the lid off. Yep, that's actually cooked just the way I want it. So just on top of that I'm going to use the colouring. Now using the, sorry excuse me, I'm actually just going to put dabs. It's a very strong colouring. So I'm going to just actually put small drops just everywhere here. So that will just, that's the red colouring, and now I'm going to add the green one. So like I said, just small drops of the colouring. On the rice. It's very irritating, so I'm just going to put the lid back on for a couple of minutes whilst I chop up my coriander to garnish the lovely rice. So here's some fresh coriander that I grew in my garden. Joke, it's one time. I'm just going to actually chop it up. Okay. Now the dabs of colour that I've added on top of the rice is just actually just to look pretty. So that's the rice done. So I'm going to put it in a bowl. There we go. All done. Garnish with the lovely coriander. Chicken biryani. Simple way to cook it. Here you go. Nice biryani. Just in time now. So we'll just, no tasters today, so I'm afraid the lucky one has to taste it. It's myself. Okay. Goodness. Sorry for being so rude for my mouth though. So salad cream, my son Simon says if you put salad cream on the biryani, it's a bomb. So we'll try this. Okay. So, yes, definitely. I'd put salad cream on it all the time. Yeah. So guys, that's the video for today. So we'll see you again for the next video. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video, and I hope you like the video, and like, share and subscribe please, and we'll see you for the next time. How many is that? Oh. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and please like and share and subscribe, and we'll make a video next time, and we'll see you again. So goodbye. Thank you guys for watching this video today, and hope you enjoyed the video for the chicken biryani, and hope you like and share and subscribe, and I'll say goodbye to you now, and Sat Shri Akal, Khuda Hafiz, and thank you guys for watching my video for the chicken biryani, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you like, share and subscribe, and I need to